How do I determine what smoker I'm going to use when I want to do a cook? Well, let's talk about it. Tonight, beautiful night, gotta go to bed, and I need to cook a pork butt for an event that I got to do tomorrow, small lunch. I have all of these grills that I could cook on. What am I going to choose tonight? What I have to think about? How much time do I want to spend doing this cook? I don't need to prove to anyone that I can run the offset. I know I can. I don't feel like setting up the snake method. My Kamado makes me a little nervous, so I would tend to want to wake up and check it. Already said no snake method. Don't feel like dealing with the pellet grill tonight. The drum smoker will give me set it and forget it. I'm going to run this for 8 hours. Not going to check it until I wake up in the morning. Real easy to set up. All of this is detailed in my book and on videos all over my page and on YouTube. Post oak wood chunks with B&B oak lump charcoal, and we're using one B&B fire starter to get that fire going. Now we need to get that into the smoker. Now while your smoker is heating up, you go get your meat out of the refrigerator and prep it. Love to crosshatch, no binder. We're going with some simple SPG. You can make your own at home. So we're running that clean smoke. The temperature is right. Boom, the butt is on. Now it's time for bed. So this is how I choose what smoker I want to use. Exactly 7 hours later, let's see what it is. I've not opened the smoker. I've not been probing the meat. Let's see if it's done. So, you can see we are stuck on 225. Ain't moving. Still got good smoke. Look at that thing. Some pullback on the bone. This looks like it's done, bro. We don't need the temperature. We're going to see if it's probe tender. No, not probe tender yet. So we're going to have to wrap this. What's the temperature? 180. An aluminum pan. You can just steal a nugget here. Woo-hoo. Oh yeah. No liquid in my pan. Let's cover this thing up. Make sure you wrap it tightly. Back to business. And now I'm going to go get ready. Take my kids to school. When I come back, I will check it. That's about 2 hours. 2 hours and 20 minutes after we have put it in the full pan. Let's check again. As you can see, still at 225. This thing's going steady, bro. All right. Is it dry? Let's check it out. Ooh, boy. And created a little bit of juices. Is she done? Oh, baby. Yeah. Like butter. What's the temperature? Okay, there you go. Come on, man. Money. Time for a 2-hour rest in my oven. Keep warm. We went after the rest in the oven. Now it's time to shred this thing up. Get some delicious pulled pork. Little bite.
Mm-hmm. Those some nuts. Make sure you're following the page. Whatever platform you're watching my content on. Peace. Have a great day.